Hi, Open Champions. This is Travis Hobbins-Siefkin checking in from Chinellas High School to talk about my friend Lexi Anderson. Lexi is an ASB with me and desperately needs a new heart. Lexi is currently being kept alive through a heart and lung machine as she awaits a new heart. I am thrilled that OPA is going to host a free dress day this Wednesday, March 1st, in honor of Lexi. Wear purple, Lexi's favorite color, and donate to Lexi. Thank you, Miss Graham and the ASB team for reaching out to help Lexi and her family.